Hey everybody, it's Robin from Roaming with Rover. And look what we've got. We got a bag. It's so cute. The bag says, obviously, you have great taste. And you know who sends out these cute little pink bags? I'll tell you who. Angela from My Precious Yarnery. So cute, so cute. There it is. Now you can see it. So I put an order to her and she sent this cute little card. It says, Robin, thank you so much again for your support. It means the world to me. Love, Angela at My Precious Yarnery. And then this is nice. It's a card with all her little contact information. If I ever get that much contact information, I'll put it on a card. So cute. So let's see what we got. Okay, I got this bag open. I'll tell you what, that was a chore getting this thing open. So let's see what we got in here. I mean, I know what I ordered, but we got some stitch markers, pretty organza bag. And the stitch markers are so cute. So cute. So we've got the heart and a puppy dog paw. And then can you see there's little paw prints on the heart? So that is darling as well. And, whoops, gonna drop it. The other thing that we have in here is the t-shirt. So she's got t-shirts for sale now. My Precious Yarnery, made with love. We are winging it here. And that is exactly what we're doing most of the time, is just winging it. So I was super excited to find out that she had these on her site for sale now, because I've been wanting one of these for a long time and you just couldn't get them. So that's my little bitty opening from Angela at My Precious Yarnery. Of course, I'll leave her contact information below. You need to go on there and check out her stitch markers. They're just adorable. Just adorable. Thanks so much for popping in for this quick little unboxing. Bye-bye now.